How to log out of Google account on iPhone. First is by opening your Google app and then go to your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, make sure to click on the drop down button found on the rightmost part of your name or your account. Once you clicked on that one, make sure to click on Manage Account on this device. Click on that one and make sure to click on Remove from this device if you want to log out the Google account that you have. Click on Remove from this device and click on Remove once again. So again, just a recap, open your Google app, go to the upper right corner, click on the drop down button, click on Manage Account on this device, click Remove from this device, and again, click on Remove right here. So that's it. That's how you can log out of Google account on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.